team lead for the signature development team here at Cisco. It is Tuesday, July 10th, and here we go again. Microsoft is releasing 9 bulletins addressing 16 separate CVEs. 3 of the bulletins are rated critical, the rest are rated important. Let's start with the 5 bulletins that affect Windows. We've got MS-12-043, this is the XML one. Covers 1 CVE. This is rated critical. This is the bulletin that was actually addressed in the discussed in the June security advisory. Microsoft is aware of active attacks exploiting the vulnerability in this that's addressed in this bulletin. The victim here needs to just merely browse to a malicious web page. That's pretty much all it takes, so make sure you get that one patched. MS-12-045, this is MDAC. It covers 1 CVE. Again, this is also rated critical, and the victim merely needs to browse to a malicious web page, so patch that one as well. MS-12-047, kernel mode drivers, covers 2 CVEs. This is rated important. It is an elevation of privilege, and the attacker is going to need valid login credentials on the machine to exploit this. Then we've got MS-12-048, this is the shell one, covers 1 CVE. It is rated important. The vulnerability is caused when Windows does not properly handle specially crafted file or directory names. But in addition here, the attacker is going to need the user to open up a malicious file of some sort. MS-12-049, this is the TLS one, addresses 1 CVE. It is also rated important. This one's an information disclosure vulnerability. Alright, let's jump to the one bulletin that affects Visual Basic. This is MS-12-046, covers 1 CVE. It is rated important. This is a DLL preloading vulnerability. Right? The victim would navigate to a malicious WebDAV or SMB share, double-click on an Office document, and a malicious DLL that's in that same folder loads within the Office application. And you end up running, arbitrary attacker code. So stay away from unknown or untrusted shares. Then we've got one bulletin that affects IE. This is MS-12-044. Covers 2 CVEs. This bulletin is rated critical. And once again, victim merely needs to browse to a malicious web page. So in this case, only IE9 is affected. So 6, 7, and 8 are not. And makes me kind of wonder, do people still run IE6? Anyway, we've got 2 more bulletins left, and they both affect Office. You've got MS-12-050. This is the SharePoint one. Addresses 6 different CVEs. It is rated important. There's HTML sanitization vulnerability in there, some XSS vulnerabilities, and there's also an information disclosure vulnerability. Not really overly exciting. And to round it out, we've got MS-12-051. This is the Office for Mac bulletin. Covers 1 CVE. It is rated important. It is Office for Mac only, so Windows installations are not affected. And more specifically, if you look at like a single user install of Office, that's not going to be affected, right? So this is only going to affect multi-user installs of Office. Pretty much does it for this month. The high priority stuff, things you need to patch, are going to be MS-12-043. That's the XML one. MS-12-044. That's the Internet Explorer bulletin, and then MS-12-045. That's the MDAC one. So that does it for this month. Coffee time for me, and we'll see you next time. Bye.